This is the automatic 5-30 sheets wet wipes production line model ZXJ. A compact system that completes folding, liquid dosing, stacking, and packing in one continuous flow. It supports unfolded non-woven widths from 200 to 320 millimeters and offers enfold formats with or without a longitudinal fold. Finished wipe sizes range roughly from 100 to 180 millimeters in length and 90 to 108 millimeters in width, covering the common specifications for portable wet wipes. The machine works with spunless materials from 35 to 80 grams per square meter. Using a standard 3-inch paper core, stack height per pack is adjustable from 1 to 80 millimeters, making it suitable for 5-sheet to 30-sheet configurations. Liquid dosing uses an immersion system supported by a 450-liter pneumatic mixing tank, ensuring stable saturation and consistent formula blending. For continuous production, the line handles non-woven rolls up to 1,000 millimeters and film rolls up to 400 millimeters. Packaging films from 150 to 450 millimeters are fully compatible. A conveyor-arranged output module keeps packs aligned, reducing manual handling and improving downstream efficiency. The ZXJ is designed for daily care, baby care, antibacterial, and travel wipe manufacturing. Focusing on stable performance, flexible specification support, and efficient material use. Engineering customizations such as fold size, dosing level, or packaging matching can be tailored to your production layout. Need machine? Feel free to contact ZXJ Machinery.